American Gold Eagles, Canadian Maple Leafs, and that's why you have capsules on your coins. How you doing, everybody? Welcome to Empire Precious Metals. If you're new to the channel, I am not a financial advisor. I'm a guy talking about precious metals and collectibles, so make sure you blast that subscribe button, get that bell notification clicked. That way you get updated with any new content, and I would really appreciate it if you blasted that like button. Anyhow, today I am going to be talking about the various gold coins that I like to buy. They are separated here on my desk in different categories, and it's kind of hard to see exactly what the categories are, but I'm going to get through each and every one of them, and then that way you can understand as to why I buy what I do and see what might make sense for your own buying strategies when it comes to gold coins. Now, I have over here, I have some pre-33 gold, which I'll get to in just a moment. I got some foreign collectible gold right over here. Over here, the meat and the potatoes, as you can see, are American Gold Eagles. And then over here, I have my buffaloes and then some more foreign gold over here. I'm going to basically work my way, I guess, from left to right and explain why I buy what I do and what I think is the best purchase for the dollar amount possible. Now, the one thing I do want to say is, again, I'm not a financial advisor, as you saw in that very quick disclaimer in the beginning of this video. And also, I do believe that you should be buying whatever you think is best for you. And I think you should be buying what you like. Everybody in this stacking community who are making videos about silver and gold, we're basically just giving you our opinions. So, do your own research and, again, do what is best for you, what's best for your budget and what you enjoy stacking. Over here, I've got the pre-33 gold. Now, pre-33 gold are gold coins that were minted prior to 1933's Gold Confiscation Act. These coins, they command a little bit more of a premium depending on the condition of the coin, but these are just incredibly beautiful coins. Here you have a 1907 St. Gaudens, which is the classic design that you see on the modern Gold Eagle. Now, these coins that were minted prior to 1933, they command a bit more of a premium, again, like I said, depending on the condition of them, due to the fact that they are historic in nature, and there's only so many of these available, right? The supply of these is finite. There's only so many of them that you can buy. Once they are purchased, that's it. They don't typically get melted down, although, some people might. But these have 90% gold, and again, they are just historic. Some of the coins that I have are a bit better in condition than others. Let me take a look over here. Like this one is a really pretty coin. These are the Liberty Head gold coins, but these are just beautiful. Now, I buy them because of the beauty, because of the historical significance of them, and I like a variety when it comes to my gold. Over here you have the $2.50 gold indium, and it's just a really cool coin. These command quite a premium on them, and I typically don't buy high premium gold. Notice I say typically. I do try to buy as close to spot as possible. The other thing I want to point out, as you can see here, is that I do not own any gold bars. I just don't like them. It's plain and simple. I've had plenty of opportunities to buy gold bars, and I don't buy them because I just like the government-backed gold coins. Gold bars, they can be purchased for prices that are very close to spot. I don't think it's a bad idea to buy them, but I just prefer the gold coins. I think that the gold bars can also be faked a lot more, and I just stay away from them. Over here, I have the gold let's see, gold tiger and dragon. I like tigers and dragons. I have a dragon and tiger tattoo, so there was a little bit of significance to this. But these are more collectible, high premium. These are more along the lines of impulse. These coins, like you could see here, the Scrooge McDuck, I think there was only 2,500 of these minted. I forget the exact mintage of these gold coins. But these command a premium because they are collectible. And again, I don't typically buy collectible gold coins. As you can see, I only have 3 of them. And that's just because I really wanted these. This gold coin here, I've mentioned before, I had some, childhood memories of Scrooge McDuck, seeing him swimming in the giant gold pool full of coins and stacking his coins up high. And I remember always wanting gold coins like Scrooge McDuck. And now here I am, nowhere near Scrooge McDuck, but my hobby and passion are precious metals. So I just thought that it was a coin that I needed to buy, whatever. This one here is the Gold Czech Republic Lion. It's the 4th in the series. This was, again, a bit of a impulse buy. At the time I bought this coin, I think spot was around 1,900. This coin was 2,300 and change. That includes tax. The mintage of these, though, is very limited. I believe there's, I want to say only 100. I forget the exact mintage, but I remember that it was low. And so the mass appeal of this coin, I would say, isn't really there. If I were to go take this to a coin shop, I would be only offered, maybe close to spot if I'm lucky. This, I do not see myself getting a high premium back on this coin unless I were to sell it on my auction or to a private buyer. Again, this is an impulse buy. I don't always recommend that you do something like that. Again, if there's something that you really like and that you want to buy and you have the money for it, then buy it. You need to be able to enjoy your collection at the same time being smart. But I don't really typically buy that type of coin, and I don't suggest that you do either. It brings me over here to the American Gold Eagles. The Gold Eagles are basically the meat and potatoes of my gold stack, just like the ASEs are of my silver stack. And I haven't bought these in a while. I will be buying the Type 2 once it releases. The pre-orders have already come out. I still haven't pulled the trigger on them just yet. I don't have a sense of urgency to buy them like many other people are scrambling to buy the Type 2 Gold Eagles. But you could find them on pretty much any website, and it's not like they're going to have a low mintage. The reason I buy the American Gold Eagles is because I'm in North America, and it is important that you buy the gold and silver coins that are native to your country. That tends to be the coin that sells more in your country. So I do buy the American Gold Eagles. They do command a little bit more of a premium than, let's say, your gold maples, but they are still a good purchase. They're most liquid. That's why I have the majority of my stack in the Gold Eagles. I do have some fractionals. Some are proofs, but I bought these only because I was able to get them for the same price of regular Gold Eagles. So if you're offered the opportunity to buy a gold proof coin for the same price as a regular gold coin, then you should absolutely jump on it. These slabbed coins, I got a couple as gifts right here. Thank you to the individual who sent those. And this is another gold coin that was also gifted to me by that same individual. Typically, I do not buy slabbed gold coins. Again, these were gifts. If in the past I have come across some gold coins that were offered to me that were slabbed at the same price of unslabbed, then buy it, because then you have that little bit of numismatic value to it. It gives you a little bit more of an edge to the resale of that coin. If these were, let's say, MS70s or what have you, they would command a tiny bit more of a premium on them, but nothing too crazy than the MS69s. Now, talking about premiums, over here I've got gold buffaloes. Gold buffaloes command a bit more of a premium than the gold eagles. These command usually maybe about a $50 to $75 markup on top of what you would pay for gold eagles. I do have 5 of these. One of them is a proof. I was able to buy that proof for the same price of a regular gold eagle, so I bought it. And then over here, you've got the gold Britannia. I bought this because, number one, it was inexpensive, and number two, the design is absolutely beautiful. And it's also 4/9 fine gold. So why not buy a 4/9 fine pure gold coin and a low premium? It's a no-brainer. This one was given to me as well as those. This was a gift, and so I typically wouldn't buy the fractional Britannias, but actually I did buy 5 1/10ths recently, which will be on an upcoming auction. Then brings me over here to the Mexican 50 pesos coin. This coin is a meaty coin. It's like one of those bucket list coins. It's 1.2 something, I forget the exact decimal, but it's got a little bit more than 1.2 ounces of gold. It's a big, heavy coin. It's got, what does it say here? Libertad along the side, Independencia. I don't know if you're able to see that through the capsule. But this coin here is one of those bucket list coins. This is a restrike. This is from 1947. I believe these were originally minted in 1821, hence the date. But again, typically I wouldn't buy a coin like this, normally, because it does command a higher premium. Again, it's because of that gold content, but for the other reason too, that Mexican coinage, both on Libertads and these, are very, very popular. So it's not like it's a difficult coin for me to unload. And then that brings me over here, lastly, to the gold maples. These are 1 ounce gold maples. 1984. I've got, what is this one? A 1985. And this one is a 2013. And I think this is a newer one. What is this one? 2020. I buy these because they are cheap. I only have 4 of them. I did have some fractional gold maples, but these are another good gold coin to buy here in the United States because you could get these for less than you can buy the American gold eagles. These also have 4/9 fine pure gold, and that is definitely a plus. Plus, I like the feel of them. They're a little bit more densely packed. The 1 ounce gold eagles, these are a little bit wider in diameter. The color too, as you can see, is different. These have a little bit more, I believe it has like copper in them, right? These are 0.9167 pure, but they do contain 1 ounce of gold, and these are 4/9 fine and has 1 ounce of gold. But I do like to buy a variety. I don't think it's a bad idea to kind of vary your gold stack, just like you should vary your silver stack. It gives you options when it comes time to sell. Sometimes you do want to sell just a little bit, raise a little bit of cash, sell fractional piece. Sometimes you want a little bit more money. You got the 1 ouncers. You're densely packing your wealth into smaller pieces of gold. So I do think that you should diversify. Don't necessarily think that you should be buying the collectible stuff. Again, if you have the extra money, go for it. But I would say stay away from this type of thing. But definitely go for American gold eagles, Canadian maple leafs, and that's why you have capsules on your coins. And let me know what it is that you are buying. Oh man, let's see if this thing is all damaged. Let's see. I think I saved it just in the nick of time. It's totally fine. Phew! All right, crisis averted. Anyway, let me know, what is it that you are stacking in your gold stack? What do you prefer over others? Do you like numismatic? Do you prefer the buffaloes, collectible stuff, 1933, or are you just very vanilla and you just go straight for the American gold eagles? Let us know. Comment down below. And don't forget, blast that like button. And I would like to quickly thank these elite channel supporters. And if you haven't already become a channel member, please check out the awesome perks and join today. With that, this is Empire Precious Metals. Until next time, long live the Empire.